Hey everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. I have a food related video today. I haven't done one of those in a very long time, and I had asked you guys on Instagram a little while ago if you wanted to see how I make the acai bowls that I eat. So many of you guys wanted to see it, and you wanted to see it on my YouTube channel instead of my Instagram, so I figured I would go ahead and film a video. I actually filmed this a long time ago, but I haven't had time to film in a really long time. The acai bowl recipe that I do is something that I pretty much just made up on my own. I feel like it just works really well, so that's what I do every time I have one, and I hope you guys like it. You can obviously switch out any things if you want, if you don't like them, if you're allergic, if you just prefer something else. Totally cool. And I do add honey at the end because I am not vegan, I am vegetarian. But if you want to get rid of the honey, then by all means do that. Add some agave nectar or something, and then it'll be completely vegan. With that aside, I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. Let me know if you try it out, or if you have any other types of things that you like to add into your acai bowls that you really like, and let's go ahead and get started. So in order to make this acai bowl, you're going to need some type of blender. I'm using this one from Ninja. I will leave a link to it in the description box below. It's small, so I like that I can just make one size bowl out of it. And then I'm also using the coconut bowls from the brand Coconut Bowls. They're so cute and perfect for this. And then obviously you'll need some sort of acai puree. This one is from Trader Joe's. It's the unsweetened frozen acai puree packets. They're super convenient to use. You basically just want to run a frozen packet under some kind of warm water to soften it up a little bit, and then break it up before you open it. This part can get kind of messy because acai is super dark purple. So then I like to put in half a banana. This one was extremely ripe, but it was the only one that I had, and I have heard that bananas that are super ripe have more antioxidants in them anyways. And then I will do about 2 handfuls of spinach and some coconut water, and then I will just blend that up in my little Ninja blender. Now, it was super hot the day that I was filming this video, so it actually melted really quickly. And if it is really hot, I would suggest just using less coconut water because it will be thicker. And then I will add my toppings that I love. I really love putting blueberries and granola. This one from Bare Naked is really good because it has cacao and cashew butter and seeds. And then I also like to put dried goji berries on top. It took me so long to find these in store, but you can get them usually in the Asian food aisle at most supermarkets. And then I will add some hemp hearts. These are really high in omegas, I think 3 and 6. And then I like to add about 2 tablespoons of raw maple almond butter. It tastes so good. I can't even tell you guys how good this tastes in an acai bowl. Highly recommend getting some. And then I will top it off with a little bit of honey. But of course, like I said in the beginning, you could use agave nectar instead if you want, in case you are vegan, and agave nectar is just as good, but I do really like honey, so I decided to add some of that on top. And that's it for this super easy recipe. And that's it for my easy acai bowl recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you did, and give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And also let me know if you want to see any other food related videos, because I would really love to do those. And if you have any specific suggestions for fall videos, feel free to leave them in the comment section below too. And of course, make sure you do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet, and check out the other videos that I have. I do a ton of cruelty-free beauty videos and lifestyle videos, and now food. So if you like that, check it out. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.